Good morning. My name is Angiosino Samson. I'm an electrical engineering student, and also I have an associate degree in industrial technology system from Lanier Technical College. I'm currently working as maintenance technician at an industrial automotive company in Beaufort, Georgia. Digital multimeter is an electronic device commonly used in electrical field. Today, I'm going to explain the role and the importance of digital multimeter in electrical field. Based on my experiences and order, digital multimeters are very important in troubleshooting and repair in all electrical components. First, I would like to describe the relation between voltage, current, and resistance in a conductor. Next, the application of digital multimeter in circuit. And finally, I would like to invite your question. A conductor is a material from which electric current passes through. Some examples are copper, aluminum, silver, and gold. They are best conductors. All materials in nature are a combination of atoms, and an atom is composed of electrons with negative and positive charges. The migration of positive and negative charges of electrons allows current to flow in an electrical wire. Because the current can't move by itself in an electrical wire, it needs a voltage, which is the force that pushes the current in an electrical wire. When the current flows in electrical wire, there is always an opposition to the current or to the migration of electrons. This opposition is called resistance. Most of the time, it is visible. People can feel the heat coming from an electrical wire when it's energized. As I mentioned earlier, voltage pushes the current and the resistance opposes that flow. Therefore, it is important to point out the relation between these three. The greater the resistance, the smaller the current, and vice versa. The voltage is the amount of resistance multiplied by current. An electrician always needs a digital multimeter to carry out his or her task. It is strongly recommended before touching any pieces of electric equipment to verify if it is energized and to find the amount of voltage or current drop across each component. Keep in mind, any current over 10 milliamps can produce a painful to severe shock. Also, troubleshooting process. An electrician looks for the cause of breakdown. A digital multimeter is a greater tool to help find where the problem is located, what is not working, what fuse is blown, and if there's the amount of voltage expected across each phase. To install a motor, it is critical to check if there is continuity between motor winding and its body. Also, the phase connection for the proper rotation direction, and so on. In conclusion, I want to say, voltage is the force that pushes the current and resistance is the force opposing that flow. Digital multimeter is electrician's most handy tool. It is very important in troubleshooting process. Thank you for listening. Now I would like to welcome any question you may have.